This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin while parked because updates require a stationary vehicle. Make sure battery is above 20% to prevent install failure. First, connect the car to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Cellular can drop and restart downloads. Then open Control software to check for a pending update and toggle notifications so you receive alerts. Once you see the update card, press Schedule or Install Now to start. This initiates download and prepares modules. It also lets the car manage climate and charging during the process. Once download begins, watch the percentage on the screen so you know progress. You should not drive. The car prevents driving during install, so pick a low-use time like overnight. If download stalls, reboot the MCU by holding both scroll wheels for 10 seconds. This restarts software services without affecting settings. During installation, Tesla may reboot displays and disable some features. That's intentional. Make sure charging remains connected if update requests it, because certain modules need sustained power for safe firmware flashing. After installation completes, the vehicle will reboot and present the new version in Control's software. Verify release notes to confirm features. If something goes wrong, start with an MCU reboot, then retry the download. This fixes most session errors. If the update repeatedly fails, schedule a service visit or contact Tesla support, but before calling, ensure Wi-Fi and charging were uninterrupted, and record any error codes. One key troubleshooting tip: keep the car plugged in and on Wi-Fi while retrying, because power loss causes the majority of failed updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.